In this video, we'll explore several ways filters can help you understand your data in Google Sheets. Before you start filtering and sorting, make sure you freeze your header rows by clicking on View, Freeze, and then Row 1. So now we can scroll through our data and still see our header rows. You can do a simple sort by hovering over any of your column letters and then clicking on the arrow. This will allow you to do a quick sort from A to Z, or sort last name by Z to A if you want to. And this does maintain the data's integrity. To turn on a filter to see just the records with New York State, click on Data, Create a filter. When you start a filter, you'll see green icons next to each header of your columns. Click on the green icon to start a filter. There are 3 types of filters that you can create. There's filter by color, filter by condition, and filter by values. We'll take a look at each one. So first, filter by color. Click on Color, Fill Color. And then you can choose which one you want to see. So I want to see light blue. And now I see all the records that I have made light blue. To remove a filter, click on Data, Remove Filter. And now you have all your data back the way it was. Next, we're going to filter by condition. Click on Data, Create Filter. Let's click on City. And we're going to filter by condition. So I'm going to collapse filter by value and open up filter by condition. When you click on the arrow here, you get all the conditions that you can filter by. You can filter if there's any empty text. You can filter by text, by date, by numbers, greater than, less than, in between, and lastly by custom formula. We're going to do some filtering by text. We're going to choose text contain, and let's say we just want to see the town of Babylon. When you enter your text, click OK, and there's all the records with the city of Babylon. I'm going to go back into the filter. I'm going to click None and OK. So that erases my filter. Let's try that again. Filter by condition. This time, the filter by condition, I'm going to use contains, but I'm going to put in B asterisk N. This will filter all cities that start with B and end with N. I'm going to scroll down and click OK. So there's all the cities that start with B and end with N. I'm going to remove this filter. Next, I'm going to filter by value. So I'm going to turn on the filter. Click on the filter icon, and I'm going to use filter by value. Here I can select any value that I want to see. So right now it's showing all values. I'm going to clear them, and I'm going to click on Babylon and Hollywood. This will show me all the Babylon and Hollywood records. Next, I'm going to filter by value, but I'm going to search for the value that I want. So let me clear all the check marks, and I'm going to use this search bar to search for San Diego. There's San Diego. I'm going to check it off, and then click OK. There's all my San Diegos. And that is how you sort and filter within a Google Sheet.